Incoming device, a Lenovo IdeaPad with a model designation of Y510P. We'll also have to take a look on the back to confirm the model number as well. The main reason, as we can take a look at the front of the device, we see the LCD has cracked as well as starting to fail, telling by the lines as well as ink spots on the screen. Go ahead and flip over the device to get an exact model number. As far as which one, unplug the charger. Battery's not secure. Right here. Yep, an IdeaPad Y510P, and then the secondary model number is 20217. We'll go and have to take a look at the parts as well as see if we can narrow down which exact LCD we need for this device and then issue a quote to the customer.